Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme versions of the Audi RSQ8 you've ever seen. This is the RSQ8 by Mistral 3025, a machine that takes Audi's high-performance SUV to an entirely new level. Let's start with the design. The RSQ8 already has a bold presence, but Mistral 3025 has elevated it with an aggressive aerodynamic package. The widebody kit gives it a meaner stance, complemented by a reworked front bumper with larger air intakes for improved cooling. The carbon fiber elements, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser, not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics, making this SUV as functional as it is stunning. Moving to the side, you can't miss the massive custom wheels. These lightweight forged alloys not only look incredible but also contribute to better handling and performance. Behind them, high-performance brakes ensure that this beast stops as aggressively as it accelerates. And speaking of acceleration, let's talk about what's under the hood. The standard Audi RSQ8 comes with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 pushing out 591 horsepower. But Mistral 3025 has tuned it to an insane level. Thanks to upgraded turbos, a remapped EQ, and a custom exhaust system, this machine now produces well over 900 horsepower. That's supercar territory. In an SUV, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. It takes just about 3 seconds. That's faster than many dedicated sports cars, all while maintaining the luxury and practicality of an SUV. And let's not forget the sound. The custom exhaust system not only improves airflow but also gives the RSQ8 a deep, aggressive roar that turns heads wherever it goes. This is an SUV that demands attention, both visually and audibly. Comfort and support at high speeds. The digital cockpit is as advanced as ever, but with additional performance-focused displays that let you monitor everything from boost pressure to lap times. This is more than just a tuned SUV, it's a statement. A perfect blend of luxury, power, and cutting-edge design. What do you think about the Audi RSQ8 by Mistral 3025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane car content. See you in the next video.